All right, this is my WORKPRO Pry Bar Set. All right, this is sent to me by the manufacturer. This is a WORKPRO. This is a 3-piece set. It comes with a nail set and 2 pry bars. WORKPRO, I know their quality well. I have several of their tools and they have lasted for quite a while. And this is the pry bar, so you would use a hammer. It's light gauge, right? So light gauge steel, maybe. Not sure exactly what it is. Feels like steel, but you never know. It could have been, I'm assuming it's hardened. But it does have an area for receiving a nail. Here, you can put a nail in here. But again, it's light gauge. You can't use this to demo a house. You would want something thicker. This is for doing light work. So if you're trying to remove trim, you want to do so carefully. This is probably the tool for you. The advantage of this compared to one that is bigger and stronger would be that this is thinner. You're less likely to damage your molding or your wall when you're trying to remove your molding. So you just carefully tap this in behind the molding after you scored if your molding's caulked. The advantage of this little mini pry bar, I can see immediately, is when you're working with, let's say, an electrical box. You hammered in an electrical box, or you need to remove an electrical box. You keep both of these tools in your electrical box tool case, which I have one, with just electrical related tools and supplies. And the nail set here. So this is a very nice nail set. It's a 1/32 nail set, but it can also be used to help pry away. Maybe you need to get access to a nail, so you can use this to hammer in around the nail to get access to the head. So yeah, thank you to the manufacturer for sending this to me. And again, as always, high quality tools from WORKPRO.